Hello guys! Welcome sa ating market recap. Our index today, strong move up by 87.62 points and we are above our current monthly pivot, still below the short-term trend 20 MA. So kung babalikan natin yung 33 natin, ano ba ang lagay natin dito? We are still below the 33. So balik natin sa 20. Yan. So, eto nang pumutok yung kasagsagan ng balita with the Omicron variant. Nandito tayo. And we're still there. So, this rally, let's wait for further, as long as we are below 7,400, I expect pa rin the prices to be range bound within this level. Wala naman nagbago pa din. The market hates uncertainty. Even with medyo positive yung mga balita today about Omicron, andyan pa din yan, dito banda, nung lumabas yan. So, we're still beyond that level, so below that level. So, I expect pa din that despite this rally, we can even close the gap. And, yun, we might see another round of weakness. Unless we take out where it all began, dito banda, 7,400. So yun, that is it for the main index. Winners and losers tab. We go on to our main winner here, Ace and XOR. So yan, we can remove this one and we can use this box as a basis for our potential entry on the next days. Any retest of this box could likely be bought again or a shot higher. So, saan ba magtitipi dito kung tutuusin with this all-time high breakout? We can use a Fibonacci extension. And so, I am seeing pag ako dito first stop at 1.68618 and the 2, yan, 39 pesos on the next days. Pag tumuloy pa dyan ay saka na lang natin i-update. So dito between these levels would likely be a potential target for this one. May igagalaw pa tong RSI nya as hindi pa yan yung pinakamataas na RSI niya. So may ano pa to extend. So as long as we can keep this level above, we can stay above this level. Next up we have RCB. Yan. RCB ay inside a range na parallel, parang ganito. And nag-overshoot eventually. Ganyan yung galaw niya. And so, may mga spike. Today ay may spike ulit. Tinignan ko, may catalyst siya about 6 days ago pa yan. So ngayon ay may massive volume, 1 billion volume. Medyo hindi yan nakita for a long time. RCB. So something good to see for RCB. We can see pivot levels here. So yan na nga, nagtutrade siya inside a trading range. That's why pivots are very close to each other. So if we can maintain to stay above 20 pesos, we might have a move for this one on the next days. So stop na lang when we break down from this channel. BSC, we finally have BSC above 0.65. Also, we are now above our pivot levels. So that is something good for BSC. So we want this one to stay bukas on the next days ay magko-consolidate lang dyan. So we can see the next move eventually. may ano yan, baka pasukan to ng mga traders with this one. Like a breakout from a wedge, descending channel or kung ano bang pattern yan, parang flag, ganyan. Yan, so baka pasukan to eventually ng mga traders. Still, we are good naman as we are above short term and medium term and also the current monthly pivots and also the level that we are eyeing before. So yan, good na si BSC and just yan, as long as it can stay above 0.65. We have PINMA. So si PINMA hindi natin nasuspatan to dahil konti lang yung volume or talagang di ko lang pinapansin to. Yan, so nakikita natin dito wala masyadong volume and kung may buy man tayo dapat dito ay andito pa on the breakout here or on the retest here. So yan, medyo mataas-taas na from entry. 28%. So ito, maganda ang momentum nito. We can see nagstay lang dyan yung RSI niya. So medyo malaki-laki na inangat nito from 8 pesos now at 20. Like to say na naiwan na tayo. So kung gusto pa din pasukin, wait for a proper entry setup, something like this one on the next days. Well, kasi ito naman napaka minimal ng galaw. Maboboring ka tapos biglang boom, spike up. Same with this one. Very tight, narrow range, and boom, spike up. And then we will see a pullback. So likely, kung gusto mo pa din pasukin, ay mag-abang ka ng pullback na lang. We have Medic with this bullish pin bar. And we are gonna be eyeing the average price for a break of the average price would likely be a strong move. And we see today it made a new low. And the low failed. We have a failed low set up here. And so as long as we can keep this level alive, then we have a shot at going back to the IPO. So the average price first here, where the prices have been flat, and eventually we might see the IPO price again. So yung stabilization fund neto looks like is in play. And yan, tingnan natin on the next days for Medic. If you want to enter, just place your stop on the break of these lows. 150. UBP. Again, UBP. We have another up move for UBP with the breakout here. So yung warning lang natin naman before is if mag-red candle itong green na to. Now, nag-form siya ng 3-day inside day. And today, breaking out again from that one. So we are gonna see more continuation as long as we can keep this level alive. AGI, yan. With the index bouncing up, and so we are still below this high. May dividend si AGI, 0.7 on December 14th ang ex-date. So yan, we have returned above the trends and everything, pivots. So as long as we can stay above that, then we have a possible continuation. So yung sinabi natin kay AGI dati, ito pa din, yan, 1350 and 1550 likely targets if we can stay above this recent breakout point. Yan. So nag-iba yung kulay, gawin natin white ulit para common lang. Yan. As long as we can stay above this one, so we can see nag-breakout and bumalik on the pivot and the trends yan sa MAs natin, and then we are seeing a bounce back. So that is good to see kasi we now have kind of support from this level. Kaya kahit bumagsak ay yan, we have a basis na kung saan tayo magka-cut loss. Yan. We have AP. AP before, we said it would be likely range bound. And eventually, if it can take out this level, then we have the continuation. So, dito pa din naman si AP. Lagyan natin ng box. Prices have been consolidating on this level. So, we can see this range here. That is kind of being the support. So, we have the pivot level here that is still unfilled. So, they have a potential na bumaba pa dyan eventually. But, that is if we break down from this range. Then we will see this. For now, andito siya trading there. And we can see naman na pataas pa din yung support. We still haven't taken out this range. So we have a shot eventually that we can be tending higher as long as walang masamang mangyayari. Losers, we go on to the losers tab. Bicor, yan. With the up move, balik sa pivot level. And we still have this 50 MA that would like, and also this range that might hold. Kaso we are below that range na. So yung mga nakabili dito might be alam niyo na yan. So sabi nga natin, pag nabasag to, we might see the return to prices where prices consolidated. And as long as nandyan naman yan, we could potentially bounce back again eventually. As long as we are above that and below that one, ay finish na. Silipin natin si Double Dragon, wherein hindi pa tapos dahil we broke down here. We made a new low last December 7 but not nag-close. Hindi siya nag-close totally. Today, yan, nag-close na. Saan ang susunod? Below 7 pesos na tayo. So, I am eyeing this one, this next level at 6.40 for Double Dragon. So, hindi nag-materialize. We have to move on to the next trade. Still, this 850 level is still gonna be an area. So, yung arrow natin, balik natin. Yan muna. So, yan. May potential pa to mag-bounce as that is this low ng the previous day. So, we have a new range here to work with. So yan, dyan pa din naman tayo. Konti lang yung binaba niya from this low. We have, pag na-break out tayo sa 7.30, that would be very good. And that would still be the play, targeting 850. On to the most active stocks, we have the following: ASEN, MBT, AC. Si AC ang notable gainer today. And ayan, yung previous swing before na kung saan ay gusto sana natin na nandun lang yung prices. We finally are able to close the gap and stay above that. So if it can stay dito, yan, dito banda, then we might have the continuation as long as we can take out these highs. Yan, pag nag-consolidate yan dito, likely we're gonna be taking out these highs nga. Yan. That is it na muna for this video. See you again guys on the next one. Peace out.